Well, hello there. It's been a long time no see. And today happens to be wash day. I'll be trying out some new products that I've never tried before, so I'm excited about that. But before we get started, if this is your first time here, I am so glad to have you. And if you're a triple OG triple, hey! So this brand would fall under my women-owned business reviews because it is a woman-owned business and happens to be a black woman-owned business. And this is just perfect for Women History Month, right? Because this is making history. So I love her story because she actually was a YouTuber and she kind of still is. I mean, I don't think she still does like hair related videos, but she started out documenting her journey back in 2011 when she decided to go natural, and she started her start making products just like a lot of us do. I'm a DIYer, so I'm just saying, I'll get in the kitchen and I will mix up something and I will make my own concoction. But she started making her own products, and then she ended up giving those products out to her family and friends, and they loved it. And I guess that sparked something, and you're like, okay, maybe I can actually turn this into a business. And then in 2016 she started Tailored Beauty. So this company has not been around for a very long time, so it's still kind of a newer company. It's startup stage, like going on 5 years now, but that's really awesome to kind of see the transition. Again, I've never tried these products before. I never actually followed her YouTube channel. If I didn't mention already, her name is Kia James, and her YouTube name is Kia J, if you want to just take a look and see what she has out there. But that's just so awesome and empowering. I love to see and hear when people start on YouTube and they just flourish and do amazing things. Natural 85, Whitney also has her own hair care line. It's a couple other YouTubers that I know started on YouTube and then they have hair care lines, so that's pretty awesome. And shout out to her just for that accomplishment and believing in herself and seeing what all this world has to offer you. Like, if you don't believe in yourself, at the end of the day, who will, right? You have to be the one to believe in yourself first, and then people definitely will follow, as you can see. So 5 years later, and here we are, and I am trying this out. And these products are available in Walmart. I'm not a Walmart shopper, but I know a lot of people are. So they are available in Walmart, and of course you can get it from their website at tailoredbeauty.com. So now that's enough of me running my mouth. Tailored Beauty was so gracious to send me pretty much their entire product line, so I'm really excited to be testing out their products. I have not tried their products before, but I've heard really great things about them. So let's get into this box of goodies. And y'all know I love full sets. Like, let's just get into this box that I got. This box is everything. Shout out to them just for packaging and just being awesome. I love the packaging right off the bat. I'm gonna go over everything that they have provided me with. So I have the Tailored Beauty Grow Thick Oil for longer, stronger, healthier hair. Then I have penetrating leave-in conditioner treatment. So you know how I'm big on leave-in, so we're gonna see if their leave-in can stand up against my all-time favorite. Then I have the moisture penetrating deep conditioner treatment. I am so excited to try all these, like, y'all. Okay, I really like how they smell. Y'all know I'm big on smells, so the smell. Should I go over the smells right now? Or should I go over them while I'm actually putting them on my hair? This is their Perfect Coils Curling Jelly here. And this curling jelly looks like it's thick. So I think I'm going to go ahead and go to the bathroom. I'm sorry. I didn't go over all the products. My bad. This is a moisturizing mist. Refresh and strengthens dry hair. That's what it says it does. Interesting. I never really refresh my hair, so I have no products that are similar to this. Out of all the products that I have and all the products that I try, I don't have anything that's like a refresher. So I'm excited to try that out. Y'all won't see this in this video. I might just come back in another video to give you guys an update, because if I refresh it, it'll probably be like 3 or 4 days from now. Okay, and then I have the Clay Detox Shampoo Bar. Now, if y'all know that I did do another video last year sometime with Chocolate Cakes and Curls Shampoo Bar, and they have a key lime truffle shampoo bar that I really love. So I'm excited to see what this shampoo bar is all about. It has bentonite clay in it. It has shikakai powder, and I've heard some things about shikakai powder that can be dangerous if you don't know what you're doing when you're using it, you know, the raw form of it. And then black seed oil. So I am excited. So what I'm going to do is take my butt in the bathroom, and let's go ahead and get to it. I think I'm gonna probably do a pre-poo first, because my hair is really dry. So I'm gonna do that really quick, pre-poo my hair, then shampoo it. But we're just gonna get into it. I don't have a conditioner, which is fine. I'm gonna shampoo it, and I'm gonna go straight into deep conditioning, so I can give y'all all the deets on what this product line is about. But before we go ahead and jump on to the bathroom, it's a few things that I need you to do, and it's a couple buttons that's like right here, and right here. If y'all just need to go ahead and just, you know, take care of all those buttons for me, you know, like, subscribe, share, save it, do all of that, and then we can go ahead and jump on over to the next part of the video.
Okay, like I mentioned, I did have really dry hair, so I did do a pre-poo, so that was me rinsing it out. Then we're going to go in with the shampoo bar, and y'all can see that the smell is it's pretty good. I mean, it's not what I would say like smells delicious, like I like delicious smelling products, but I don't really even care about that. I care about all of this slip and how it feels on my hair. Shampoo bars to me just add so much slip to your hair. They're super cleansing. They also leave your hair squeaky clean, so that's just something to keep in mind. Then I'm gonna go in with the deep conditioner, because they didn't provide me a conditioner, so I'm like, that's cool, I'll skip that step and we'll go right in with the deep conditioner. The deep conditioner had really good slip, and I felt like it absorbed into my strands very easily. As you guys can see, you can barely even see any buildup on my hair, so that lets you know that my hair really took well to this product. That's what I like to see. And as y'all can see, my hair was super defined. Did not lose a ton of hair, and I feel like I did not use a lot of product.
All right, y'all, I'm back, and I have been looking for this microfiber towel for about like 3 months, and I couldn't find it, and I finally found it, and my life is back lit. So now I'm gonna go in. Well, if you watched my wash and deep condition, it was a really good wash and deep condition. Like, even though the shampoo bar, it is like stripping, like it feels stripping, it's still like a really good cleanse. I don't see me doing it every single wash day. Like, I just don't see that happening, but I do know for a fact that one, that's gonna be like my, at least once a month, I'm using that for sure, because I love shampoo bars. Going with a nice amount. So consistency, as you can see, it's not very thick. It's super runny. Well, not super runny, but I think it's a good consistency for a leave-in, because leave-ins, I don't think that they should be really thick, but I don't think they should be like super watery or yeah, like soupy feeling. So I think it's actually a really good consistency. My hair was already detangled when I deep conditioned, so it should still be relatively detangled. And that's what I was gonna say, all of their scents, I feel like I'm using a lot of leave-in, but it's only because my hair is like super dry from the towel. But I feel like all of the scents are very mild. It's nothing that is overpowering. Like, I have not smelled one scent that I feel like, well, one, I haven't smelled one scent that I just absolutely love, because the scents are just mild and they're pleasant. Like, I actually haven't smelled a line that I just thought like generally was just overall pleasant smelling line and cohesive with all of the products that I tried in a long time. So I appreciate that. I really do. So I think I am good on this side of my head. I'm gonna do a washing finger coil out, something like that. I'm not really sure, but it's gonna be like a wash and go and finger coil. But before we get to the styling, I do want to go in with their Grow, which I showed you guys, that Grow Thick Oil. I don't like that their packages aren't sealed. I really love sealed packages. I know for this it's probably not necessary, but all of the other ones, they don't have like the typical seals that I'm used to seeing, so I don't really like that. But this one, I guess maybe it's not necessary because of the type of top that the oil has. I don't know if I'll be able to show you guys that, if you can see it. Okay, so I'm just gonna put a little, come on now, I'm just gonna put a little oil in my hand. This oil blend is castor oil, sesame seed oil, avocado oil, apricot oil, vitamin E oil, and rosemary. So definitely has all of the key oils that but castor oil is really thick. So I'm probably, yeah, it's stank. Like how castor oil does not smell good to me at all, but I'm just trying to lock in the moisture that I have put into my hair. So leave-in, and then I'm gonna go in with the oil. So this is like a it would be C, but the C is not going to be a cream, it's going to be a gel. So, and normally I do a LG method, but we're trying something different today. We're going to see how my results come out. I can't wait to see it. So I'm going to go ahead and do this other side really quick and then come back for the gel. Okay, so I have my other side with the leave-in conditioner on it. I'm not gonna judge it very harshly because, like I said, my hair dries so quick because I have high porosity strands here. So I feel like that's why I use so much of the leave-in, because I probably wouldn't have used that much if my hair was soaking wet when I applied it. And then this oil, like I said, it smells mainly like castor oil, or either castor oil just has a really strong scent, and it's very thick. We're gonna see, because I typically don't put oil on my hair. I think this would probably be a good oil for like literally directly on your scalp if you're doing or if like you have protective style. I think this probably would be really good for it. Time for the gel, or curling custard, curl something. It's curling jelly is what it is. Okay, y'all, so let's take a look. Now this is y'all see it? It's definitely like jelly-like gel-ish. Not a thick gel though. The scent is definitely noticeable. Let me see. Well, it's kind of thick. Okay, so I'm probably gonna rake a little bit, do a little bit of raking to get this on my hair, and then a little bit of, since it says it's for perfect coils, I'm gonna do a little bit of finger coiling, not much at all, and we're gonna see how this comes out. So time to fast forward. Now I want y'all to know that if I was doing a full head finger coil, I wouldn't do it like this. This is not how I finger coil. It's really just trying to like activate my natural curls, and once my hair dries, these big curl coils or whatever that I'm doing, I'm gonna separate them. But again, like I said, this is not how I normally do it, not at all. I am picking up some hair and I am wrapping around my finger. It creates a little bit of a curl, and that's it. I love how the gel doesn't feel like sticky. I really can't stand really sticky consistencies when it comes to gel. Like, it's not, it is giving me kind of like a cream, like cream vibes, but I know it's not cream, but that's what it reminds me of, because I don't feel like, I mean, it's a tad bit, but it's very mild, sticky residue feeling. So hopefully I don't feel like it's gonna leave me with any flakes, but let me make sure I get some on my roots, because my roots be a hot mess sometimes. So let's go ahead and get this other side done. Like, if only it was really that simple to do the second side of my hair. So this side is drying up very nicely. This one I just completed, and I am going to let my hair air dry like I always do. But overall, before I see my final results, I really enjoyed this wash day. I really liked, obviously, the shampoo bar. I really enjoyed it. I love shampoo bars, and I just enjoyed the experience when I use a shampoo bar. I really enjoyed the deep conditioner. Although the shampoo bars kind of like strip your hair completely clean, at least in my opinion, that's how it feels. The deep conditioner gave me everything back that I lost. Like, all my moisture came back. I just really like this wash day. So I hope these results come out looking good. I hope my girls look good. I mean, this might be a first where I'll just love every product that I try. Well, other than that oil, like I said, that oil is I'm just not a big fan of oils. Nothing's wrong with it, other than it's just, like I said, it's just really thick. Yeah. And then I still need to try that mist in a couple days, that moisturizing, refreshing mist. I will try that and probably update you guys in another video. But that's all I got for y'all. So make sure you are subscribed to the channel if you have not already done so. Hit the notification bell so you will be notified as soon as my next video drops. And let me show you these final results.